Restart. Okay, let us move ahead. We are having a reference line which is noted as XY. Okay. We are having data that point A is 10 mm above HP and 10 mm in front of VP. For that, I'll be using the locus data format over here. So this is going to be the locus of A dash. How much distance it indicates? It indicates the distance of about 10 mm. Exactly 10 mm. I cannot say about 10 mm. It is going to be exactly 10 mm. Now let us drop another line over here, being at same distance, and mention it as locus of A. At how much distance it is going to be available from reference? It is going to be available at or with the distance about 10 mm. Okay, let us take position of point A dash over here. So this is going to be called the position A dash. Let us draft a line to get the position of A. So a straight vertical line which is perpendicular to reference is going to be drafted, and the point which the line when it intersects with locus A is going to be called point A. And what is point A? Point A is plan position of line AB's first point A. So A dash is indicating elevation position of point A, and A is indicating plan position of point A. Now we have to switch over to the second information, which is point B. It is 40 mm above HP and 40 mm in front of VP. Obviously this point is going to be in first quadrant. So let us drop that information. I'll be taking the distance of about 40 mm from here, and I'll be dropping a line to indicate the possible infinite positions of locus of B. So what we are doing, we are taking the distance of about 40 mm from here. Why we are taking 40 mm? Because the distance which is mentioned over here, point B, is 40 mm above HP. And what this green line indicates? It indicates locus of B dash. Means on this line you are going to have the positions of B dash, and they are saying that 40 mm in front of VP, where it is going to be situated below the reference. It is going to be situated. So I'll be dropping it over here somewhere, mentioning the data. It is 40 mm, dropping the line format. It is going to be like this, and afterwards we'll be indicating information. Once information, this line is indicating locus of B. I hope you are clear about this much of information what we have presented. Now we are saying that line AB is having length of 80 mm. So what should I do? I'll be working on the line presentation part, and I'll be taking an arc from A dash on the locus of B dash. The arc length should be 80 mm. माने A dash से B dash के ऊपर 80 mm का एक arc लगाइए. उस arc का length कितना होना चाहिए, radius कितना होना चाहिए? It should be 80 mm. So this particular point is indicating the B1 dash, and we are aware that A dash B1 dash is presentation of true length in elevation. What is A dash B1 dash? It is presentation of true length in elevation. So we have got the A dash B1 dash, which is nothing but the true length of AB. कितना distance है? 80 mm. I hope you are clear about the information what I share over here. Now we need to present B point in plan also. So what we are going to do? We are going to have another line from A in the reference at the bottom, and we are going to have B1 over here. And what is AB1? I'm not using the word dash. Okay. What is AB1? In similar manner, and the A dash B dash, we are saying that AB1 is representing true length in plan or in top view. So this one is also the true length. Why? Because it is having length of about 80 mm. Just keep this in mind. Now, what should we do? We need to find certain information. Plan length, elevation length, theta, phi, and end projector distance. What is going to be the theta? We should be concentrating on this factor first. Theta kya hai? So if you are able to see this one, the angle which is generated between the A dash B1 dash and the reference. Why I am saying and the reference? Because the locus of A dash is parallel to reference. So I can consider it as partial reference, secondary reference. So the angle which is presented over here is going to be called theta. And the angle which is presented over here is going to be called phi. Mane angle with the horizontal plane is going to be called theta, and angle with vertical plane is going to be called phi. I hope you are able to understand. This is the angle which is with the horizontal plane, and this is the angle which is with the vertical plane. So had we got theta and phi? Yes, we have got theta and phi. How we have got that one? We had got that one by measuring it right now. अभी तो हमने measure किया हुआ है, ठीक है? Now what about plan length and elevation length? For that, what we do? We draft an arc having same length over here. Let us stop over here because your next lecture is going to start. I think it is 10, 11, 16 already. So यहाँ तक रखते हैं. From in next session we'll be continuing with that one. यहाँ से आगे बढ़ेंगे, ठीक है? इसका स्क्रीन कैप्चर करके रखिए. We'll be continuing in next lecture.